In the last tutorial, we have learned about the structure of the do while loop. Let's revise some things once again. So it begins with the do while, and after that, it begins with the do while, and there is one condition which will be checked. The next one, it ends with the loop statement. So there are two things that the loop statement will do. Signal the end of the loop, means the loop ends, and next one is that return the control back to the do while loop. So it will return the control back to the first, means this condition. Then the third is that the statements, what does the statement does? The statement will repeatedly run until the condition or until the loop will run. The statements will keep on running once, keep on running more and more. Then next is the statements in the body. So let's say now here the statements in the body of the loop are executed repeatedly while the test condition is true. So until the condition is true, the statements will run, means that the last statement, last point. The next, the condition is checked first, means do while. After the do while there is one condition, so it will be checked again and again. Like here you can see n is less than equal to 5. So this condition will be checked when we enter the loop. The next is if the condition is initially false, means if this condition is false initially, like suppose here if n is equal to then 6, then the condition will be false. Then what will happen? The loop body is not executed at all. So this body will not be executed at all. Then the next thing, when the loop is being executed, one of the statements in the loop body should set a test condition to false to terminate the loop. So it means that here within this statements there should be one statement which can make this condition false. Then only the loop will end. Otherwise the loop will not end and will keep on running the loop. Okay. So here it is written that if it remains true, means this condition will remain true even if after the running of these statements it will be repeatedly executed. The statements and the loop is then called an infinite loop, means the loop will run again and again, so it will be an infinite loop. So the do while is an entry control loop, because here the condition is there, so it will be an entry control loop. That is, there is a check or control over the entry into the loop. So since the condition is at the starting, so it will be an entry control loop, because here there is a condition. If the condition is true, only then the loop is executed, otherwise not. So the loop will be executed only when this condition is true. So that's why it's known as an entry control loop. So this is an example of this. Here do while, this one is the condition, then print, then n is equal to n plus 1. These are the statements, and this loop is the end of this do while loop. So that's all for today. Thank you.